Baby boy, what's your name?
Liam.
Liam. Okay, Liam, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday, Kane. Ready and go.
Happy birthday.
Bart, may nagwawala. Halika na nga dito, kuya. Huwag ka na magalit sa akin. O, pasensya na. Naistorbo kita sa upuan, ha? Okay, who's next? Girls again. Girls muna tayo, girls. So, mamaya si Kenten. Girls, who's next? Okay lang. Sige. Ito, ate, come here. Stand up. Halika na tayo. Don't quick time. Kuya, mamaya ikaw na kasunod, ha? Okay, ready? Happy birthday, Cain. Ready, and go!
Happy birthday, Jain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Talagang Pilipina. Parang ako ang lumalapit ng tenga sa iyo. Siya nakakuha ng 15 counts. Okay, boys naman tayo. Eto, halika na rin dito. Halika tayo ka dito. Dali, come here. And then syempre, uunahin natin ito ha. Kuya! Come here, come here. Ito, si Kuya. Halika dito, dali. Punta ka dito sa harapan, come here. Ikaw kasi na dito. Okay, baby boy. What's your name? Mukhang Chinese yata. Tumakbo natin, best friend. Okay? How old are you? Nag-aaral? Pwede po ba translation to? Best friend, wag na natin patagalin to. Mahihirapan tayo dito. For you, thank you very much. Come here, kuya. Yeah, walang iba ang humamon, si Bandon. Okay, baby boy, what's your name? Ay, kasama pa ito yung address. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Happy birthday, Cain. Ready, and go!
Happy birthday, Kain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Kala ko naiihi na itong batang to dito. Okay, sorry. Thank you very much for clear scene. Okay, who's next? Count ako 1 to 10, ha? Taas na kamay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, at syempre tawagin na natin ang ating high score. Walang iba sa boys. Kuya, stand up. Come here, ikaw ang ating high score sa boys.